This is Colin Dijs, and in this video I will show you how I made $3,839.71 on Clickbank and how you can do the same, because this is not a live build video. It is something else. It is something way more important, because we're going to start with the basics today. So you can see we've had good success on Clickbank, more than 2,500 a week lately. So the revenue is going up. We've been killing it, over $1,000 a day, sometimes lower days, sometimes higher days. You know how it goes. You have to find profitability, right? And this is up to 55% profit. So I'm very happy with the results so far, and we're taking things to the next level. But before you can do exactly what I'm doing, you need to understand a couple of things. A couple of things being, the biggest thing is the three markets. So on Clickbank, you have a large variety of offers available. However, some of these make a lot of money, and some of these are able to make money, but not that much. We have three main markets in affiliate marketing where probably up to 80% of the money is being made, which is wealth, health, and relationships. So these are the three fundamental pieces to human well-being, basically. Relationships, because we are social beings; wealth, because we always want more money; and health, because we always want to be healthier, right? So products related to the three markets give you tremendous opportunity to promote. However, they are also the most competitive. Not only the most competitive, but also because these markets are dominated by a lot of affiliates, there are also a lot of scammers out there, which basically means that advertising platforms like Google, Facebook, Snapchat have taken measures against affiliates promoting certain products on their networks. You can imagine that it's not nice for a user to see, hey, you fat fuck, how about you lose some weight and buy these products to help you lose 20 pounds overnight, right? That is not good for the user experience. So these advertising platforms have drilled down, and you need to find a way how you can promote these offers if you want to, because there's so much money to be made, right? Basically, the three main markets split up in all kinds of small markets. So wealth goes to finance, investing, real estate, sales, and then splits up again into sub-niches from that specific niche. Then you have relationships, love, dating advice, marriage advice. You have health, weight loss, strengthening, nutrition, diet. And you can see already that especially in the health and relationship categories, Clickbank offers a lot of products. Myself, I like to be in the health section right now, promoting on Clickbank diet and weight loss products. And obviously, this gives tremendous scale. Not only are the three markets designed in such a way that it has a high appeal to the user, it also has a tremendous amount of scale, because I don't know anybody who doesn't want to lose weight, who doesn't want to be happily in love and doesn't want more money, right? So basically, unless people are super healthy or already training a lot, probably over 60% of the people are overweight and therefore are your target market as an affiliate. Even when you look at countries at the US, it might be even 80%, right, which is overweight. So drill down with those health products there, give you the opportunity to make lots of money. Then when we look at the specific verticals you can dive into when it comes down to the Clickbank products, you have the health, the women's weight loss, men's weight loss, natural health, wellness, meditation, diabetes, sexual health, yoga, posture, detox. Obviously, there are some other variants to it. Wealth, internet marketing, finance, forex, real estate, taxes, online business, credit repair is huge. Online jobs, job interviews, and millionaire mind. It's the mindset. Then the relationship, men's dating, women's dating, marriage, relationships, online dating, get your ass back, texting, social networking, confidence. All right, so when we look at these specific examples, we can say, well, women's weight loss, yes, is on Clickbank. Men's weight loss is on Clickbank. Natural health is on Clickbank. Wellness, meditation is on Clickbank. Diabetes is on Clickbank. That one, I don't know. Yoga is on Clickbank. Posture, it's regarding the back pain, I think the chiropractor offers. And detox also. For wealth, internet marketing, yes. Personal finance, I don't know. Forex, yes. Real estate, I don't know. Taxes, I don't know. Online businesses, a lot. Credit repair, yes. Online jobs, yes. Job interviews, yes. And millionaire mindset, also yes. And for the relationships, dating, yes. Marriage, yes. Relationships, yes. That one also yes. Online dating, yes. Get your ex back, a lot of those offers. Texting, I think 1 or 2 offers. Social networking, I don't think so. Confidence, always, right? So you can basically see within this small triangle, which we call the 3 markets, right? These are like bubbles, but it's like a triangle like so. Within those 3 markets, it gives you tremendous amount of opportunity. Just know that where opportunity is a lot of competition, right? So you can also use this to your advantage if you don't want to promote in the 2 to 3 markets. Because there's things like music, sports. When you have health, you have like strength training and shit, but you also have like basketball, golf. For instance, golf might be that one sub-niche market, which is so small that big affiliates stay out of it, but you can still make $100, $200 a day by running ads to those products. So that gives you opportunity. However, if you do decide to go into the 3 big markets, just know you need budget and you need to practice a lot. You might want to start with something like posture before running weight loss. Because I see a lot of beginners running weight loss, and guys like me, I can spend 10,000 a day if I want to, right? I wouldn't, because first I want to get it super profitable and then I scale, but I can if I want to. And if you can only spend $50, $100 a day, you might want to start with diabetes, yoga, posture, detox, credit repair. You don't want to go for internet marketing, online business, because those are the biggest ones where you can make the most money, but you can also lose the most money when you invest and it doesn't yield results before you burn out of cash, right? Very, very important. When it comes to the dating, I would say either choose health and wealth to begin with, because dating is even more advanced. I have never even touched dating, just because I think there's such a volume of traffic there. You know, with health, you have maybe 60 to 80% of the people is overweight. Wealth, everybody wants money, but most people are not dumb to buy into these products, right? You need some kind of level for that, or these products are too expensive because the relative price point is quite a bit higher. With relationships, it's basically everybody, right? If you're married, then marriage counseling, or marriage secrets. When you're single, there's so many different offers. If you have girls below the age of 30, get your ex back kind of shit. So there are so many offers available. Just pick what you think works, what you want to start with. Commit to one thing and then run that. And that's exactly what I did. So the money you see in my Clickbank account right here is almost all from one product alone in the weight loss niche. And by doing that, committing to such a level in the 3 markets, I now know that I can run other weight loss products as well, maybe in different traffic sources, scale that, have a feeling for it. But as soon as you step into the 3 markets, you can make the most amount of money, but there's also the most competition. Just realize that. If you want to clear out the way from the competition, go out of the 3 markets, just know you have limited scalability. If your goal is $100, $200 a day profit, then it's very much doable outside the 3 markets. However, if your goal is 10K, 20K a day, then you have to go into the 3 markets to get those kind of results. So basically, this is what I want to tell you. This is how I made $3,839.71 last week on Clickbank by being in the 3 markets and promoting the products. If you have any questions for me, put them down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one.